Hey everybody, it is me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screen once again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to detangle your hair. I thought it would be a cool experiment if I could actually detangle my hair using 3 methods. So I'm going to finger detangle, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to use a Denman brush. I decided to use the Afro Botanics overnight treatment as a pre-poo because I wanted a product that was going to provide me with a ton of slip. I've used this product already, I've reviewed it, I absolutely loved it, and it has a ton of slip, and I loved how my hair reacted when it came in contact with it. Also I'm gonna be just adding some oils because I have to make sure that my hair is super slippery because I'm going to be using a Denman brush more than anything. I'm a bit nervous because I've never used it. I'm going to be using it for the first time on camera with you guys. The company Sister Flow Naturals sent me a few things, and this is the brush that they sent me. So let us check my first reaction. Okay, moment of truth. I've never used this before. This is how the brush looks like. It has bristles like so. Okay, let's try this. I'm scared. Okay, wait, let me take like a small section. Okay. Put that to the side. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's not bad. I actually don't mind it. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Okay, this is the amount of product the brush takes with. My hands are small, so I'm holding the whole goddamn brush with my whole hand, but I'm sure you can hold it in like different ways. I prefer to hold it like this because, as you can tell, I've got small hands, you see, and it fits perfectly. So I hold it like this, and then I detangle like that. Oh wow, this is like okay, wait, let me detangle the whole section. Hold on, let me detangle the whole section. I actually want to see how much hair I'm going to get from using the brush compared to the comb and my fingers. Okay, I have a knot. When you have a knot, you can either stop and work it out, but mine I think came out. Okay, let me brush the entire section and see. Let's see. You're gonna have to take decent sections, like small sections. I do not suggest you take like a piece huge, just like this piece here is huge. You see, this is a huge piece. But let me see. I kind of like how thoroughly. Okay. Right now, do I love the brush? I think the brush is okay. Am I a fan of the brush? Not yet. However, this brush is, I feel like it's taking all my product. Like, do you see that? I feel like it's taking all my product. That's the only thing. However, it is leaving my hair quite defined, if I could put it that way. And it is obviously then thoroughly detangled. Now I want to see how much hair I am going to. I'm gonna pull out this hair that's in the Denman brush. I don't know what they call these brushes, but yeah. Okay, let me see. If you want thicker hair than mine, then, because I've got like medium to thick hair, I don't believe my hair is like that thick. You might struggle with this. I don't know. Okay, now I'm taking out the hair. Okay, so we want to compare. We want to see how much hair I lost from using this brush compared to maybe using a wide tooth comb. Okay, so this is how much hair. This is how much hair I got. Okay, this is how much hair I got from the brush. This is how much hair I got from the brush. Now we're gonna take how much hair did I get, did I shed basically from the comb. I'm taking it out, there we go, putting it to the side just so that we can see the hairs, because if it's like not meshed up together. Okay, there we go. That's how much hair I experienced from the comb. And now I'm just pulling the hair I experienced, how much shedding I experienced from the brush. Okay, so this is from the brush, this is from the brush, okay, and this is from the comb. I'm not gonna lie, just using my own two eyes, I experienced more shedding, okay, not even shedding, but like, yeah, let's just call it shedding, from the brush than I did from the wide tooth comb. So y'all can be the judge. You can be the judge. I feel like with finger detangling, I would experience less shedding than I would using any sort of tool. Do I like, this is such a huge piece. Okay, hold on. Do I like the brush? I don't know. I think I'm gonna continue to use it for the rest of the video. Maybe like one section here at the back and just use the brush and see how it goes. However, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan. Only because my fingers can do the job just fine and I don't lose that much hair. And yeah, I think everybody's trying to retain length, you know, and all that kind of stuff. But shedding is not a bad thing, guys. I don't want you guys to think that shedding is a bad thing. We all experience shedding. We shed about 100 hairs each day, so don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be like, my hair's falling out. But you shouldn't be experiencing excessive falling out of your hair. Hair falling, what do you call it? Okay, switch to voiceover. Boom. As I save the tongue twister, yeah, y'all, look, with the Denman brush, I can guarantee this, like, you are going to damage your ends in the long run. You are going to break your hair, and just, yeah, I honestly, I'm not a fan of using a Denman brush. I decided just to, you know, it's an experiment for you guys. Using a wide tooth comb is like somewhat healthier. It's a bit more gentle, but you have to be patient with your hair, even if you are using a wide tooth comb, and it's still a bit painful. Whereas with finger detangling, you get less breakage. It's easy for you to target tangles and, like, you know, take time to unravel them and work them down until you are, you know, you get like a thorough section, and it is not painful to finger detangle. It's just that it takes much longer, but we all want to retain length, like I already said, and that's exactly what finger detangling will assist you with in the long run. I don't suggest you use a Denman brush. Okay, so this is how much shedding I experienced from this section, this quarter of my hair alone, from the brush. As soon as my camera decides to focus, there we go. This is how much shedding I got from this section alone, and then now I am finger detangling this section, and this is how much hair I have so far, and I'm gonna be collecting and labeling each one so that I can show you guys exactly how much shedding I got from using my fingers, using the brush, using the wide tooth comb. All right, the wide tooth comb I'm going to detangle here at the back, and then here I am finger detangling, as you guys noticed, and here I only used the brush, the Denman brush, or I don't know what they call it, but we've got the brush in the house. All right, I believe Denman brushes were designed for people with type 3 hair, and if you are going to want to incorporate a Denman brush into your hair regimen, I suggest that you only use it about 4 times in a year, when you actually just deeply detangle your hair, only because you want to save your hair in the long run. And this is a, you know, a thorough detangling process. So I'm just going to insert a clip right over here to show you the different ball of shed of hairs I got from using different tools. So what are my final thoughts about this brush specifically? Okay, let me put it like this. If your hair is used to being thoroughly detangled when you are finger detangling, then running this through your hair will be fine, because your hair is already trained, and it won't feel too different, right? However, I do have to say, and I give it up, that it actually, like, kudos to this brush, because it's very thorough. Like, it actually detangles every single strand of your hair, and for some weird reason it also defines your hair. I thought it was taking the product, but it really wasn't. As I continued to twist out my hair, the product was still there, even though it looked like the brush was taking a lot of product for my hair. Okay, do I prefer it over finger detangling? No, I don't. I prefer to finger detangle, only because you save a whole lot of hair. And I just like spending time with my hair. I actually do not suggest, if you don't know how to detangle at all, to go ahead and start using tools. I would say start small, use your fingers, move on to, it's like graduating, you know. Start with your fingers. You will soon notice that finger detangling is much healthier, and then use a wide tooth comb should you want to use some sort of tool. And then once your hair is used to be detangled on a frequent basis, because I don't experience like single strand knots anymore, only because my hair is always just so thoroughly detangled. So, and then, you know, once you're ready, you can advance to this Denman brush, or brush, I don't know, detangling brush. And so that's my 2 cents, y'all. So if y'all want this, you know, hit Sister Flo up on Instagram and go buy you some of these. She has a whole ton of merch, which I will you know, share with y'all later on in a video, but I wanted to basically review this Denman brush from her. And yeah, so my 2 cents, my final thoughts: please just finger detangle. It's just healthier. However, like I said, if you are ready to advance, you can totally add this. It defined my curls. It was quicker. Obviously, using a tool is much quicker, but you lose more hair, just so you know. Well, according to this experiment, I lost more hair compared to finger detangling or using a wide tooth comb. So, I mean, you can decide for yourself. I'm just here to offer you options, doll. I'm not telling you what to do. You're a grown-ass man, grown-ass woman. You can decide what you want to do with your hair. So anyway, I will, in the future, will I be using this? I don't know, maybe to brush out my extensions or something, but not my hair. I don't know. I prefer to finger detangle. So I'll see you guys in my next one, and